Hi, welcome to TVK Trading. In this video I'm gonna show one of my favorite strategies, which is the London session. What I usually do in the morning, I live in Copenhagen, so it's Copenhagen time. London sessions start at 9 o'clock. What I usually do in the morning is to mark out the daily candle. That means the daily high and daily low since midnight. So that's the two orange lines here. My strategy in general in this morning and in the morning hours, and especially in the London session, is to use the daily high, daily low, and the VWAP as point of interest. I like very much if we can reach, like in this case today, can reach the daily high and find a good short downwards to VWAP or close to VWAP. Sometimes we actually have a short going all the way down to daily low, but that depends a little bit, and you can usually see that for the momentum of the chart. If it's more slow and regular, usually we will have a bounce around VWAP, so which was the case today. So what I'm showing here is a trade I did with 5 Apex funded accounts that I copy trade. My position size was as usually from my dynamic trading strategy, meaning that I go in and out with several micro contracts. I think in this trade my minimum size was 2 micros and up till 10, 12 in certain periods, but constantly I buy and sell the contract. So I go in and out of the trade with the micro contracts. So I will try slowly to go through the trade here and explain what is going on and what is happening here. So as you can see, we enter just after it's around 9:15 when I enter the trade. And I see this reaction that I was waiting for, so I enter the trade. And as you can see, we have a pretty fast momentum down, and I was expecting some retest. That's usually happening. It's not very seldom that we just push down. So I am going out with some contracts here and await some pull back here, where I enter with new micros. So I take basically partly profit during the trade. And as you can see, I am out around here, right? So in time frame, we are talking 17 to around 13 minutes, in which period I generated 7,700 US dollars divided, I mean altogether in these 5 accounts. So that's a very satisfying trade. We never reached VWAP. I decided to go out here. It was already a super cool trade. We have a risk reward of 3.6, absolutely approved. I can move on a little bit here to see whether it would have paid off to stay in. As you can see, we are pretty much entering the same level downwards, and then we go up, and just later on we actually reach further down, but not very much. So we have to wait half an hour before we actually went further down. So this is a perfect trade in my book. This is how I like to trade. Go in with a certain amount of micro contracts, buy back, because this is selling, so it's a short, so I buy back some, take some partly profits. I enter again with some micro contracts as soon as we reach up here to the EMAs that I'm following, and then at a certain point I say this is a great trade, why risk anymore, and I stop the trade basically there. So this is an example of my dynamic trading strategy that I use every day in different times of the day. But I have to say it starts to be one of my favorites, this London session. Usually I trade between 9 and 10, and then after 10 I stop trading and I go back to my charts when we reach the London Open. Great. So that was pretty much what I had to say about this trade. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. That would be great. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. That would be very appreciated. So see you in another video.